Being socially distant from each other doesn't mean that we can't socialize. Here are 10 friendship apps that you can use to make friends while you're at home. So there's actually more than 10 friendship apps that you can download, but the reason why I chose these particular 10 is because they've been recently updated, they have decent reviews, and also they're free to download.
Bumble BFF. Like the original Bumble, you swipe to be matched with users and you have 24 hours to initiate a conversation before the match expires. Profile prompts are meant to spark a conversation with new matches. It's highly rated and it's free to download with subscription options. Hey Veena. It's called Veena because it's the Icelandic word for girlfriend. You swipe to meet new friends, join communities, take quizzes, and go to events. They use personality quizzes to help you find who you're most compatible with. It's also highly rated and it's free to download with subscription options. This site gives users the ability to socialize with strangers without the hassle and worry of sharing personal information. There is an app, but you don't have to use the app. It pairs strangers based on the similarities of their interests. It's free to use and very popular. However, the site is often misused by people who share graphic images. You can fill in the blank there. MeetMe helps you to find new people nearby who share your interests and want to chat immediately. This app is also highly rated and it's free to download with subscription options. WeThree is the friendship app where you swipe cards about personality, lifestyle, beliefs, and values. This is a change to having to swipe people for matches. WeThree will add you to tribes of 3 compatible people of the same gender. They reveal your shared traits, mutual interests, and common goals. You can always be invited to a tribe for free, but if you want to take a more active role in finding friends, you'll need to use tokens to invite people to a tribe. Tokens can be earned or purchased. Yopo is a social video live streaming app to find new friends, chat with people just like you, and build a social community based on your interest. You can go live and stream videos with friends. You can start a live video chat with up to 10 people and even invite new friends to join you. Yopo is free to download and use, however, they also offer optional subscription packages. 21Q. It is a question-based game to start real conversations with real people. Designated zones state your intentions up front. Dating, making friends, casual encounters, or meeting up with other couples. 21Q creates a curated list of matches for you based on your interest, in addition to proximity. This app is free. Reach. You can connect with new friends who enjoy the same movies, TV shows, hobbies, music, or anything else you love. The more active you are on Reach, the better the recommendations will be. They analyze your presence on Reach to figure out who your ideal IBF, aka internet friend, would be. Reach is free with no monthly fees, upgrades, or in-app purchases. The RealU app specializes in finding people that are perfect for you based on your interests. Create events, search for friends based on your favorite activity, or let them match you with others based on your profile. This app allows you to connect with other people who are close by wherever you are. The app is free to download and it doesn't look like there's any subscription options. Pena is here to help you to make new connections with like-minded people nearby. Simply tag your profile with keywords that best represent you and search for others with overlapping interests. Find friends and expand your network with connections that matter. It's free and it doesn't look like there's any other subscription options.
So far, I've downloaded Bumble BFF and Hey Veena. I'm still not comfortable with the whole swiping right and swiping left. So I think I want to try out one of those other apps that sets up the friendships for you, like WeThree. Although Omegle is pretty popular, I am super fearful to use that app because I don't want any embarrassing moments, and I definitely don't want to be surprised with one of these. Which app have you tried? Share your reviews below. I want to know what your experiences are so that I can choose the right friendship app too. If you're new like me with trying out these friendship apps, which one will you try? You heard which one I'm trying out, so let's hear what you will in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every Sunday about how you can connect with others. Next week, I'll be talking about why your DMs get ignored. Turn your notifications on so you don't miss it. If you're watching this video after May 17th, 2020, I will attach the link so that you can check it out. To motivate you to subscribe and to turn on the notifications, I am going to give away a free t-shirt. This is it right here. It's a shirt that says, "I wore this shirt to give you an excuse to approach me." It's a great conversation starter t-shirt, and I'm going to give that away for free. Turn on your notifications, comment with a meaningful comment, and be the first to do so. And you have a chance to win a t-shirt next month, in the month of June 2020. All right, see ya.